Hi everyone, and welcome to 90 plus tutorials. This is Dr.HYDRO once again. I know it's been a while, it's been a very long break, but trust me, it wasn't just a break. It was a break for a change, to build a space where we blend academics with entertainment, and to create a unique community where your jack does not need to leave when you need to take a break from a long work period. Yeah, just like the saying that says, work and no play make jacks a dog boy or a doggy, yeah, depending on his gender. We are not just teaching, we are making your educational journey fun and enjoyable. Of course, studying medicine does not have to be boring, because to me, all unhappy medicine students are on a journey to becoming a conductor, and that's definitely not the type of doctor I want to become. So yeah, subscribe to our channel and follow me on all my socials. I'm going to drop the link in the description. So just know that you are not just getting the admission, you are getting that your desired course with a lot of memorable moments of preparations. Struggle is real, no doubt, but it gets endurable when it's endurable. So yeah, anytime you want to quote that line, always make reference to me. If not, see you at the court for copyright infringement. So UTMA came, UTMA came, and congratulations to our student and every student that made it. And to those that are still on the way, if you are meant to give up, you won't be where you are today. So we are just writing a story, and I would advise you to be patient and write a meaningful one. Our classes starts this month, and our webinar comes up 20th of October. So subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more information. Yeah, follow me on all my socials because I'll be dropping back-to-back video. Don't forget, this is 90 plus tutorials, and I'm Dr.HYDRO. So you, me, our student, and everybody are limitless. Thank you.